This is an introduction to basic capabilities of MS Word. Let me first show how to open Word in computer. Click on the search icon, type Word, click on Open for Word app in search result, click on blank document. We are ready to start working with MS Word. Here you can start typing anything you want using your keyboard. I have typed this text to show few basic here. When you have some text in Word document, if you look at bottom left corner, it shows us how many pages we have in this document along with how many words. Now let's make few mistakes in this text. For example, wrong spelling for day, extra space before his to make grammatical error and wrong spelling for river. Now we can see Word is indicating incorrect spelling with this red underline and grammatical error with this blue double line. It helps you to identify such mistakes, and we can correct this by right-clicking on the incorrect text and choosing correct one, or we can press F7 and correct the mistakes from this right side panel by clicking on the correct suggestions. Word also shows this message when all spelling and grammar check is complete.